Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about turning off the float function on a joystick on a tractor that is equipped with the Fendt factory loader. You can see this is a 728. It's got the 6.1 loader. Most of you will have a 700 series with a 5X style loader on it. So when the main screen fires up, you're going to get your 6 tiles. What we're going to do is we're going to scroll until we get to where we have the front loader page. You're going to touch that, and then you're going to look down the screen here, and you have this nice button right here that says float off. That one we're gonna touch it. It's going to turn green. It's going to pop a message up. You're going to hit the green check mark, and then that is going to turn the float function off when you click past the end of the joystick, so that when you're working, if you happen to hit a bump and push it, that your loader isn't just free falling. It basically just allows it to go up and down and not lock it into the float position. So that has to be done each time you start the tractor. It doesn't remember that. It's a safety thing. And so you have to go in, go through that procedure, make sure that is highlighted green, and you're good to go. If you don't see that on your tractor screen, your tractor more than likely needs a software update. So talk to Michael or Nolan in service. They can schedule it in when we come to do an oil change or some other kind of maintenance or warranty service to it, that then they can do a software update. Just bear in mind that it's not a 5-minute thing. So if it's a day where your tractor's down and they're fixing something, don't ask them to, hey, can you update my software quickly? I want to use this as soon as it's fixed. Wait till they're doing maintenance on your tractor. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.